Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this dry brush and nail stamp nail design. So I painted my nails with this black Holo polish by Color Club. It's called Black Magic. I just love it. It's so pretty. And I'm going to apply pink and peach onto my nails. Now these are neon polishes, but because they're on black, you can't see it that, well. But I love the look of it, so I just thought it was perfect for this design. Then using my Born Pretty nail plate, I'm going to apply white polish onto this nail stamp design. Once I finished the look, I was like, it was such a more masculine nail design. It wasn't as girly as I usually do my designs, but I have to say I did love it. It was something different than what I usually do. And I've recently seen a lot of you guys love seeing my dry brush nail design. So here's another one. I'm really appreciative that you love the dry brush, I guess because it's so easy and simple to do. And I finished the design with a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.